Hello everyone, our team name is AG Beyond. We students are Snehalata S, Shweta M, Saranya E and Swati B. Our mentor is Dr. M and Vimal Kumar and we are from RMD Engineering College, 3rd year ECE department. It's true when we say farming make people happy, from potted plants to real agriculture. Hence, we have a little something to make every farming lover smile by creating an agriculture website. As agricultural producers strive to improve production methods and productivity, they shouldn't forget that communication with others can help get the job done. AG Beyond help farmers ensure greater profitability through direct farmer to farmer and farmer to customer communication. Moreover, this website serves as a business card, a salesperson, and also a shop. The basic version of the website includes 3 features. Here, the weather forecast for a stipulated time is shown. Next, we have Indian agricultural seasons: Kharif, Rabi, and Zaid. The crops of the respective seasons are mentioned here. Finally, we have some helpful YouTube videos for improving the cultivation and to get different ideas. Here is the brief description on the objective and services provided by the website. The standard version of this website consists of login page which gives full access to the AG Beyond and its benefit. There are 2 separate login panels for farmer and customer. In farmer's login page, he or she will be able to post the crop that has already been sown. For adding the crop variety, some basic questions will be asked to the farmer, such as name, district, crop variety, area of the crop cultivated, tentative month of harvest, and his contact details. The data entered by the farmer will be displayed in a separate page according to the districts. When a farmer enters a particular district, the data entered by the other farmers in that district will be displayed. This will help the farmer in such a way that he or she can sow a different crop variety other than the crops that has already been sown, so that the multiple crop varieties would be available for the customers, thus increasing the economic rate and the demand for the product. Next, we'll move to the login page for the customers. Here, the data entered by the farmers will be displayed in the respective districts. The customers cannot alter or add any data. Instead, he or she can only view the data that has already been entered. In addition to the crop variety, the contact details of the farmer is also mentioned, so that they could buy the products directly from the farmer without the help of any dealers. Hence, the customers can get fresh products and the farmers will also be benefited with the actual market price. We also have an additional option for changing the password. Effective communication is something that should be expected and rewarded. AG Beyond sets as a pathway for better communication between farmers and customers. Thank you everyone.